Welcome to this video on variables and assignment, which are foundational concepts in programming. By the end of this video, you will master how to effectively use variables in your code. What exactly are variables? Think of them as containers or labeled boxes in your computer's memory. They are named locations used to store and retrieve different types of data, such as numbers or text. Variables are crucial because they allow you to store data for later use and make your code more readable with meaningful names. They also enable you to reuse and easily update values as your program runs. To create a variable, you use the assignment operator, equals. Here we assign a string value to student underscore name, an integer to student underscore age, and a floating point number to student underscore GPA. When we run the script, the print function retrieves and displays the stored values for student underscore name, and student underscore age. The assignment operator, the single equal sign, is used to assign the value on the right to the variable name on the left. We can assign different data types, like numbers, strings, and booleans, to variables. When this assignment script is executed, it uses an F string to output the product name and its price, referencing the variables we assigned earlier. Variables must follow certain naming rules. They must start with a letter or underscore, can contain letters, numbers, and underscores, and are case sensitive. Importantly, they cannot use reserved keywords or contain spaces. Here are examples of good, descriptive variable names using snake underscore case. Below are bad examples, such as a non-descriptive name like X, or names that violate rules, like starting with a number or containing a hyphen. You can assign the same value to multiple variables simultaneously, as shown with X, Y, and Z all being set to 0. You can also assign multiple different values to multiple variables at once using commas. The output confirms the multiple assignments, showing that X, Y, and Z are all 0, and then printing the distinct values for name, age, and city. Variables are flexible. They can be reassigned with a new value. You can directly assign a new value or update the variable based on its existing value, like adding 50 to the current score. The output demonstrates the reassignment. The initial score of 100 is updated to 150 and finally increased to 200. Python offers an elegant way to swap variable values without needing a temporary third variable. Simply assign the values on the right to the variables on the left in the desired swapped order. The output shows the values before the swap. A is 10 and B is 20. After the swap, A is 20 and B is 10, confirming the successful exchange. Compound assignment operators offer a concise way to perform an operation and assign the result back to the same variable. For instance, count plus equals 5 is a shorthand for count equals count plus 5 . Running this script shows how compound operators modify the count variable. Addition makes it 15, subtraction makes it 12, and multiplication makes it 24. In addition to addition, subtraction, and multiplication, there are compound operators for division, floor division, modulo, and exponentiation. Let's look at a practical example in a shopping cart scenario. We use the addition assignment operator to add the cost of 3 items to the subtotal. Then, we calculate a discount and use the subtraction assignment operator to update the subtotal. The output first shows the total subtotal after adding all items, $87.49. After applying the discount, the final price is $78.74. To write effective code, always initialize variables and use descriptive names. Avoid common mistakes, like using variables before assignment, using reserved keywords, or starting variable names with numbers. Remember that variables store data using the assignment operator. Use descriptive names, and remember that compound operators are useful shortcuts. Variables are a fundamental element in all programs.